this tutorial, I will show you how to download voice messages from Messenger in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, open any of the browser and go to messenger.com and log into your account. Now open the chat of the person you want to download voice messages from. After this, right click on blank space, then click on inspect. Now click on this icon besides element. Now from above series of options, click on drop down menu of dimensions. Then click on edit. Now click on add custom device. Now give it any name. Then click on this drop down menu icon. Then select desktop and then click on add custom device. After this, close it by clicking on this cross. Now once again, click on this drop down menu icon in front of dimensions and select the device you have just added. After this, click on network. Then from series of options, click on media. Now refresh your page. Then your voice messages will appear here. Now you just need to double click on any message. After this, click on these three dots. Then click on download and your voice messages from Messenger will be downloaded. That's it. So that's how you can download voice messages from Messenger in just few easy steps.